Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Salawat.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammadan wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum.
Assalamu alaikum, everybody. We are all here today to remember Imam Hussein alayhi salam and his sacrifice for justice and freedom, and to think about the lesson we can learn from the tragedy of Karbala. Firstly, let's talk about how this year is different. Usually a lot of us are going to the Imam Bagas or Hussainia, and let's be honest, a lot of us kids are spending our time playing but still taking in the blessings of the Imam Baga or Hussainia. But this year has been an opportunity for all of us to actually sit in our homes and listen to lectures in English. This is a time we can understand, maybe even for the first time, the sacrifice of Imam Hussein alayhi salam and all those who lost their lives standing up for what was right, even though it was not easy. This year we learned 4 main lessons that I want to share with all of us as ways to make us better followers of the Imam. The first lesson we learn is to stand up for what is right and to be patient in the face of great injustice. Imam Hussein alayhi salam and his companions didn't just let the bad people hurt others and try to destroy Islam. They stood up for what is right, teaching all of us the power that we can all have when we stand up together as a group. We also learned the importance of patience, something we all find difficult. Whether it is being patient and finishing our schoolwork or waiting for something we really like, we learn that it will be difficult but worth it in the end. The second lesson we learn is how to be a leader. Imam Hussein alayhi salam sacrificed his life in Karbala, but it was Lady Zainab salamullah alayha that continued spreading the message of truth, starting these majalises that we all attend. She taught us how to be a leader. The third lesson we all learn is to be kind even to those who are cruel. When her alayhi salam, who was the general of the enemy side, ran out of water, Bibi Zainab gave them water, even though they did not have a lot. We learn that what makes us a Husseini is our kindness to everyone. For the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, being kind does not mean we do not stand up for ourselves. Being kind means that even if someone is cruel, we have the power to not be hurt at all by the mean people. The fourth lesson we learn from the tragedy of Karbala is to be a Husseini. We have to work hard in this life. Even though it can seem hard sometimes, so that we can become leaders in what we do when we get older, so that we can continue spreading the message of truth. And Imam Hussein. From the time when Imam Hussein was martyred in the battlefield, Bibi Zainab forgot to smile. Bibi Sakina forgot to smile, knowing that her weeping upset her mother. Bibi Sakina would cry silently and quickly wipe away her tears. In the prison, she would stare at the flock of birds flying to their nests at sunset. Ask Bibi Zainab, will Sakina ever be going home like those birds flying to their homes? When one dreadful night, Bibi Sakina went to bed on the cold floor of the prison. When she woke up and said to her aunt, "I saw my father. He was calling me, saying, 'Oh, Sakina, oh, my child, I have come to take you with me. Come to me, my child.'" And Bibi Sakina started crying. She cried and cried, and then all of a sudden she went quiet. Her aunts thought she had slept and left her in peace. The time for morning prayers came. Her mother called out, "Wake up, Sakina! Wake up! It is time for prayers, my child." There was only the painful silence. Our fourth Imam, Zainul Abidin, walked up to Sakina, put his hand on her forehead. It was cold. Bibi Sakina had stopped breathing in between sobs. Zainul Abidin recited, "Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un." Let us honor the sacrifice of our Imam by choosing to work on ourselves every day so that we may walk on the straight path. We ask Allah to honor us with the Imam's shafa'ah on the day of judgment. Sallu ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad salawat.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى محمد وعجل فرجهم.